All right, let's talk about how you can fix the hashtag error in Excel. If you have a set of data and you're seeing these hashtags, that basically means that the column width is too skinny and that entire number can't fit in that cell within that column. So there are two ways that you can fix this issue. Number one is you can widen the column. So if we click C and we double click or click and drag, we can drag that column out to display those numbers. And the second way you can do that is to select the cells or the column that is showing the hashtag error, right click, go down to Format Cells, and this little menu will appear, and then just select Shrink to Fit, and then hit OK. And that will shrink the size of the text so that it is displayed without having to widen or make the column any bigger in case you can't do that. So there you have it. That's how you can fix the hashtag error that you might come across in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.